Hello, I'm Neil. Welcome to Grandpa's Workshop. As always, a big thank you to all my subscribers. This week I'm taking a look at the inverter flux cord wire welder. This is a Parkside welder from my local Lidl. It costs £79.99 and the model number is PIF-DS120A1. So this is the inverter flux cord wire welder. Let's take a quick look at what it says on the box. Lightweight thanks to inverter technology, ideal for mobile use. Powerful compact device with low energy consumption. Better control of the arc and optimal welding results even for inexperienced users. Well, that's me. Functions without the use of shielding gas. Synergetic rotary knob for easy adjustment to material thickness 0.8 to 3 millimeters. Automatic setting of the wire current and wire feed. Fan cooling and overload protection due to the thermal alarm with indicator light. 2 meter welding cable with interchangeable welding nozzles for 0.6, 0.8, 0.9 and 1.0 millimeters. 2 meter earthing cable with strong clamp, robust metal housing with carry strap. It says welding current 25 to 120 amps, rated voltage 230, no load voltage 46 volts, protection class IP21S. Accessories include 0.4 kilogram welding wire, 0.9 millimeter, 1 burner nozzle pre-mounted, 4 welding nozzles, 1 pre-mounted, 1 welding protection shield, 1 chipping hammer with wire brush and 1 carry strap. Right, the model number for this is PIF-DS120A1. So let's take a look at what's in the box. That's your welding shield. That's the earth clamp. Chip hammer wire brush. Handle for the face guard. And then the little welder itself. The all important instruction manual. And that's everything out of the box. Right, I'm going to assemble the face shield. I don't really need that because I've got this, but I'm not going to use this just yet. All I'm going to do is use what's in the box with a welder. It's quite stiff. Yep. Next, welder. Right, to open the welder, there's a little button just here, press it up. This is a bit, for me it's a bit loose, but it's only a cheap machine. Do the wing nut. Move the wire. What we'll do is open this, thread it through here so it'll come out at the other end. Oops, I took that off completely. It's a bit silly. Got a little knob here which allows you to remove this roller. It's got little grooves in it for the different thickness of wire. Now I've threaded it through here, I've got to get through that little hole. Right, now when I power it up, it should thread the wire through when I pull the trigger. I've got it plugged in. There's the on off switch on the back. I'll turn it on. Little rollers moving. turn it off for a moment. What I'm going to do is grab some pliers. Just remove this tip for a second till the wire comes out. Untangle this a little bit. That's it, start to come out. So I'll turn the power off. Oh, a bit more. That's this bit all set up. So close this. Just need to fit this into the front of here. Let's see if we move this round. And all you've got in the front of the machine is a socket for this to go into. And then you've got your control knob, which is 0.8, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5 and 3.0. And that controls your power and your wire speed. So next, I'm going to see if we can find some bits of metal and have a go at welding. I've got 2 pieces of scrap angle iron, and what I've done is I've cleaned an edge and one face best I can with a flap disc. So now I'm just going to see if I can weld them together, even if it's just a spot weld. But before I do, I forgot to show how this fits. So I'll just snip this off. Right, this piece is what goes into the welder. It's got a little knobbly bit there on the top, so it only goes in one way. You put it in and you twist it to the right. And that's it, done. Doesn't look too pretty, but it's my first go. Well, it seems to be stuck together, so I think I need a lot more practice, but that's my first weld. Right, what do I think of this machine so far? I think it's alright. A few little sharp edges on plastic. This little button here for opening the side panel is a bit loose. Overall though, it's not a bad little machine. If I can weld, I think anybody can. It's really simple. Just one knob sets your power and your speed. Perfect for me. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful, and as always, thanks for watching.